Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. All right, in this video I want to share with you some of you on my YouTube are not following me on Instagram, and I do drop signals on Instagram. So if you are yet to follow me, I will leave the link in the description of this video. Once you click the description, I'm going to see my Instagram link. You follow me. I drop signals on Instagram. So like today's signal, I just wanted to share with you what most of us there, that most of you that are following me, what they are enjoying all this while. So I dropped this signal about 8 hours ago. Let me go to Instagram. All right, you can see this signal right here. You can see sell crash 500. Okay, if you look the time, you can see this is 8 hours ago when I dropped this. You can see where the entry point, and I said risk reward is 1:2. All right, so I dropped this signal today, and what I want to share with you is not actually that I dropped the signal or not. I just want to share with you how simple, the way I analyzed the trade, the way I speculated the movement, that kind of very simple stuff right here, which I believe you can learn from and do the same thing in order to we are no longer interested in just catching one spike in maybe going to 1 minute time frame and just a spike came and you close your no. We are looking at the bigger picture now. Entering a trade, hold your trade and catch those spikes, those multiple spikes, not just taking one spike and all that, using a typical price action strategy to enter your trade. So in this trade, I dropped the signal just using common trend line. Okay, trend line, you can see here from 4 hours time frame, you can see this is a clear downtrend, guys. This is a clear downtrend. You can see how the price keep respecting that line. Keep respecting the line as the price keep going down. So when I discovered that, I gave out the signal before I even entered the trade. I think I gave out the signal either I think it's up to 1 hour before I even jump into the trade. Okay, later, because I needed to drop the signals both on my Facebook page and on my Telegram. So if you are not following me on Instagram or on Facebook, please do do well to follow me and enjoy all these things. I will be more consistent when it comes to dropping of signals on Instagram. Okay, so now I just pick this swing points. You can see this swing high, swing high, swing high. I just mark it out, draw the line, normal trend line, and extend it. Okay, so I just waited to see the price come back to that point again, to that line again. Okay, I needed to wait for the price to come to me. I don't need to. What most of us do at times is that we jump to the price, we run to the price instead of waiting for the price to come to us. Okay, you need to set your trap, set your, if you are using support and resistance, trend lines, anything, channel, any kind of pattern we are using for trading, always put those patterns in place. Wait for the price to come to you. Once the price comes to you, then you take your trade. Don't just jump in. Sometimes you'll be waiting, and it seems like you are going to miss out. That is the problem most of us have. When the spike come, you'll be very, wow, assuming I entered, I could have made a lot of money. Next time you now jump in without waiting for confirmation. Now if you look at this point, just pay attention, guys. When you look at this, switching to 15 minutes time frame or even going to 30 minutes time frame, okay, but better, the better views on 15 minutes time frame. When you look here, you discover that we have our trend line. Okay, then a signal came. Let me show you what I mean by this signal. When you know about the M and W pattern, right? Now if M pattern is forming on a resistance above, you know that it's very powerful, right? And when W pattern is forming on a support level, you know it's very powerful also. So now on our resistance, because this particular trend line is also serving as resistance right there. Okay, we discover this M pattern form. Okay, you can see the M pattern right there. So when the M pattern form, okay, you can see that point. You can see that point. So when you discover this kind of stuff on a resistance zone, okay, on a resistance zone or this kind of trend line, okay, when you discover this kind of signal, then the price is on a resistance zone, okay, on your trend line. Okay, the second signal is that you are seeing the price retesting that point, that particular zone, the second time. Okay, which is another signal, another confirmation. So you don't even need to put all the indicators in the world on your chart for you to take a trade. You can just understand simple price action and you use it for your trading, guys. So it's very simple stuff here. It's very simple, and I know you guys can do this. Okay, why I'm sharing this is that some of you just think that boom and crash, step index, volatility, those things are very difficult stuff, you know. See, I think boom and crash is the most simplest. It's even more kind of simpler than currency pairs. All right. So you just need to understand how these things work, guys. You just need to understand. You can see how simple this kind of analysis is. Just go to a higher time frame and see a good trend line, okay? A good trend line. Then come to the trend line, wait for the price to come back to you. Come back to that line again. Once the price come back, you wait and see a pattern. Either you see a pattern or you see a candlestick formation. Even though if you look at this zone, if you pay attention to this zone, you can see a lot of quick rejections. The candlestick will come to that place. That line will reject the price. It keep rejecting the price, kind of trying to show you that, okay, this line is very strong. The price is finding it difficult to break this line. So it's a sign also to enter your trade. You have about 3 signals here looking at you. Okay, so you mustn't draw or you mustn't add all the indicators on your chart for you to trade. You can just learn simple price action, okay, without stress. So guys, follow me on Instagram if you have not. Also on Facebook, I will drop the link below the description of this video. Okay, so remember my 1 week class is on, okay, it's coming up June, first week of June, okay? So if you have not registered yet for the class, the WhatsApp link is also on the description of this video. You can join the WhatsApp link and enjoy, okay? So guys, I'll see you guys later. Maybe tomorrow we still have a trade like this on Instagram. Also, we keep doing it, okay? We keep doing it this way. You can enjoy free. These signals are free, okay? They are is a free signal, so you are not paying anything for that. Just all you need to do is to follow me on Instagram and enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Enjoy.